Hi, this is Soul Sync Living. Welcome back to our space for deeper connection. Have you ever heard about chakras and wondered if there's more to them than just spirituality? What if these ancient energy centers hold the key to understanding our modern mind-body connection? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world where ancient wisdom meets modern science. We'll explore how chakras, our emotions, and our physical health are intricately linked. Let's start with the basics. The word chakra comes from Sanskrit and means wheel or disc. They are described as spinning vortexes of energy along our spine, from the base to the crown of our head. Traditionally, there are 7 main chakras, each associated with specific aspects of our being. Think of them as a symbolic map for our personal and spiritual development. The first chakra, the root chakra at the base of the spine, is all about grounding, safety, and our fundamental needs. When it's balanced, we feel secure and stable. Moving up, the sacral chakra governs our creativity, emotions, and pleasure. It's the center of our emotional and creative flow. The solar plexus chakra, located in our upper abdomen, is our powerhouse of personal will, confidence, and self-esteem. Next is the heart chakra, the bridge between our lower and upper chakras. It's all about love, compassion, and connection. The throat chakra is our center for communication and self-expression. It empowers us to speak our truth. The third eye chakra, between our eyebrows, relates to intuition, insight, and our inner wisdom. And finally, the crown chakra at the top of our head connects us to universal consciousness and spiritual awareness. This all sounds very spiritual, but what does modern science have to say about it? Interestingly, the locations of these chakras correspond remarkably with major nerve plexuses and endocrine glands in our body. These are the very systems that regulate our physical and emotional states. Let's look at the science behind this mind-body connection. Modern research in fields like psychoneuroimmunology shows how our thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical health. For example, the root and sacral chakras are located near the sacral plexus, a network of nerves that influences our gut and reproductive organs. This brings us to the gut-brain axis, a constant two-way communication system between our digestive tract and our brain. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach? That's the gut-brain axis at work. Stress and anxiety can directly disrupt our digestion, showing how emotional imbalance in our lower chakras can manifest physically. Now let's consider the solar plexus. It aligns with the solar plexus nerve bundle and adrenal glands. These glands produce cortisol, our primary stress hormone. When we feel powerless or anxious, our bodies go into a fight or flight response, managed right from this area. Balancing this center is about regulating our stress response and building resilience. Moving up to the heart chakra, this is where it gets really fascinating. Scientists at the HeartMath Institute have discovered something called heart-brain coherence. Our heart actually has its own complex nervous system, often called the heart-brain. It sends more signals to the brain than the brain sends to the heart. When we feel love and compassion, our heart rhythm becomes smooth and coherent. This coherence sends calming signals to the brain, reducing stress and enhancing our mental clarity. So, a balanced heart chakra isn't just a metaphor. It's a measurable physiological state. The throat chakra's location corresponds with the thyroid gland and the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is a superhighway connecting the brain to many of our major organs. It plays a crucial role in regulating our heart rate, digestion, and even our social engagement system. Speaking our truth and communicating effectively stimulates this nerve, helping to calm our entire nervous system. And what about the third eye and crown chakras? These correspond with the pineal and pituitary glands in the brain. The pituitary gland is the master gland of our endocrine system, controlling hormones throughout the body. The pineal gland produces melatonin, which regulates our sleep-wake cycles, and is often linked to intuition and deeper states of consciousness. Practices like meditation and focused attention, which are used to open these upper chakras, have been scientifically shown to alter brainwave patterns. They can increase alpha and theta waves, associated with relaxation, creativity, and deep meditative states. So, when we talk about unblocking or balancing a chakra, what are we actually doing from a biological perspective? We are using focused intention and specific practices to influence our nervous system, hormonal balance, and emotional state. Somatic psychology and energy psychology see these energy centers as hubs of nerve networks, glandular activity, and stored emotional patterns. Trauma and chronic stress can create blockages in these areas, leading to both emotional and physical symptoms. Holistic practices are designed to release these blockages and restore harmony. Let's explore some of these powerful practices. First, meditation. By focusing our attention on a specific chakra, we can bring awareness and energy to that area of our body. This focused attention can calm the nervous system and retrain our emotional responses. Next is breathwork or pranayama. Different breathing techniques can either stimulate or calm our nervous system. Deep, slow breathing, for example, activates the vagus nerve, promoting relaxation and balancing our entire system. Yoga is another incredible tool. The physical postures, or asanas, are designed to stimulate and open different parts of the body. Each posture can be linked to a specific chakra, helping to release tension and improve energy flow in that region. Sound healing using tools like singing bowls, chanting, or tuning forks is also very effective. The principle is that everything has a resonant frequency, including our body's cells and energy centers. Sound vibrations can help to restore a harmonious frequency in areas that are out of balance. This is known as resonant entrainment. Visualization is a simple yet profound practice. Imagine a vibrant, colored light spinning at the location of each chakra. For the root chakra, visualize a brilliant red. For the sacral, a warm orange. For the solar plexus, a bright yellow. For the heart, a healing green. For the throat, a calming blue. For the third eye, a deep indigo. And for the crown, a radiant violet or white light. This mental exercise helps direct your intention and energy, influencing your physiology through the mind-body connection. By combining these practices, we're not just working with abstract concepts. We are actively engaging with our biology. We are harmonizing our nervous system, balancing our hormones, and rewiring our emotional patterns. This holistic view sees the human being as a fully integrated system of energy, emotion, and biology. Everything is interconnected. Our lifestyle, our thoughts, our intentions, and our awareness all shape our well-being. Balancing your chakras is about taking a holistic approach to your health. It's about listening to your body's wisdom and giving it what it needs to thrive. It's about acknowledging that your emotional health is just as important as your physical health, and that they are two sides of the same coin. So, the next time you feel a knot in your stomach from anxiety, think of your solar plexus. Or when your heart aches with sadness or swells with love, connect with your heart chakra. By understanding this framework, you gain a powerful new language for interpreting your own inner experience. You can move from feeling like a victim of your symptoms to becoming an active participant in your own healing journey. This knowledge empowers you to take charge of your well-being on all levels. It's a journey of self-discovery, of aligning your mind, body, and spirit. It's about creating a life that feels balanced, vibrant, and deeply connected. Thank you for joining me on this exploration today. I hope it has brought you some new insights and inspiration. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync Living for more content on holistic well-being. Until next time, be well and stay connected.